Step-by-step guide on using the Web Capture tool in Microsoft Edge Chromium. Open Microsoft Edge, launch the Edge browser on your computer. Navigate to the web page, go to the web page you want to capture. Access Web Capture. There are a couple of ways to access Web Capture. Using keyboard shortcut, press Shift plus Control plus S, Windows, or Shift plus Command plus S, Mac, to open the Web Capture tool directly. Through Menu Options, click on the three-dot menu at the top right corner of the Edge browser. Select Web Capture from the menu options. Capture the web page. Once you're in the web capture mode, the web page will gray out slightly, and a toolbar will appear at the top. Capture methods. You'll see options for capturing. Full page captures the entire web page, including content that's not visible without scrolling. Area allows you to select a specific area of the page to capture. Select your capture option. Choose the appropriate capture option based on your preference. Annotate, optional after capturing the web page or a specific area. You can annotate the screenshot using the available tools. These tools include a pen and an eraser. Using the pencil, drawing. Choose a color from the color palette, usually black, red, blue, etc. Click and hold while dragging the mouse cursor on the captured image to draw or highlight sections. Using the eraser. Click on the eraser icon. Click and hold while dragging the mouse cursor over the annotations you want to erase. Save or share. Save. Click on the Save button to save the captured image to your device. Share. Use the Share button to share the captured screenshot through various options like email, social media, or other applications. Exit Web Capture. To exit the Web Capture tool, click on the Close button or press the Escape key. Whether you're preserving entire web pages or highlighting specific sections, Edge's intuitive tools and versatile options streamline your capturing process.